Okay, so here's some good signs that you're gonna blow up on YouTube. So once you're gonna upload your video and stuff, you gotta check out your impressions. So once you have like a lot of impressions, like right here, if you have like 32.3 male impressions, that's really good because people when they open up YouTube, they're gonna see the impressions and they're gonna see your video on the home page, which is really good, and that is what's gonna be the people interested on it. And the first part is that if you're getting a lot of comments on your video, like at least 10, your video is going viral, like completely just going viral. If your video has any comments or something like that, your video is going viral for sure. And the third part is that another one is that if you have a good CTR, a good click through rate, because a lot of people like to click on the thumbnails, like, oh, what about this or this and that. Yeah, you seen one of those Mr. Beast thumbnails and stuff, like, what if I just really Jaguar and stuff. So it's like a what if, like they're really interested how it's gonna go. That's what you need to do on your YouTube. So another one for the shorts, if you're getting stuck by 30K view jail, that's a really good sign that one of your videos will blow up. Because if you get stuck at 30K view jail, that's really good, and you can still get monetized off of that because you can keep pushing it. You can keep pushing your shorts no matter what, and one of your videos will get blown up. It's really simple, really. And another one is that if you're doing shorts, you're getting a lot of shorts viewed on YouTube. So if you have like 94.1%, that's really good because every time when people scroll on shorts, 99% will see your video on that shorts, bro. It's really impressive. So yeah, guys, that's all the 5 I have for you guys. If you want to learn more about this, or if you're like interested on doing it more, or if you're like really serious about this, just DM me on TikTok. Just DM me YT and stuff, so I could give you put you on together and stuff. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you.